In this video we're going to show the user how to use default values within the data management screen in the GradeSet toolkit. So if you look up here to data management, and this is default values, just to remind you, this is different to default result types. This is default values, and this is a training toolkit here, so you can see there's lots of different ones. Something to bear in mind that's important, it is a value here, it's not a grade. So the example there's an attendance one where the value of the attendance is 95%, and then I've made two here that I've created myself, and that's why they've got the dustbin icon next to them, because I can delete them, but all the others come factory fitted in a toolkit. So I've made two here. I've called it an English good pass and a Maths good pass, where English GCSE 9 to 1 grade, and I've said that it's 5 because anything 5 or above is considered a good pass within the UK state education system. So I've called it English good pass and it's a 5. So if you just remember that for a second, I'm just going to open up a report that I've already built. If you just bear with me a second. Okay, so this report, the first one is looking at English language. We've got academic year and year group there, and we've put a statement in here. I've filtered by English language as well. So it's saying if the grade, which is the grade here, is less than, and it has to be put into curly brackets there, as you can see, the italic brackets for English good pass. So that shows all the students whose grade is below a 5, and if I just sort that for you, you can see obviously a 5 minus isn't a 5. It's very easy on here with the new 9 to 1, the grade being the same as the points. And then the second snapshot, if we just click over to that one, this is maths. Again, it's filtered by maths, and it's asking if they're below a maths good pass, and it shows those students there. And just to show you how to use the attendance one, I'm just going to build a basic attendance report using the basic 5 there. I'm going to look at academic 15-16. This is a training toolkit, that's why it's a little behind. I'm just going to look at year 11, and I'm going to put in attendance and behaviour there, and that's going to show everybody's attendance and behaviour there. And then I'm going to put a new filter in, and I'm going to say that yearly attendance is less than, and I'm going to put attendance in there, curly brackets. And you're thinking, you know, what is that showing? What is that number? If we just retrieve, and so if I just sort that, you can see from 5.71 to the very lowest to the maximum of 94.29. So it's showing everybody who's below 95, because you can see there, curly brackets attendance. In the default values, I've set an attendance one there where 95 is the threshold. If you wanted to set yours at 97, it would show everybody that it was less than 97. So that is how you use default values within data management within the toolkit. Thank you.